In this video, I'm demonstrating the ShelfMate 1x10, designed for wider boards and stronger shelves. We'll route a clean, fixed shelf joint so the shelf locks perfectly in place with no gaps. Just like all my jigs, it uses the same router setup with a 1/2-inch guide bushing and 3 8-inch bit, so you can swap between jigs without resetting anything. The ShelfMate 1x10 is ideal for larger projects where strength and precision really matter. Clamp the jig securely and follow the profile. That's it, no measuring, no templates. Next, use the included routing plate to cut shelf slots into your cabinet side or interior panel. The plate has the same hole pattern as the jig and is matched to 1x10 boards, that's 3/4 by 9 1/4 inches, or 19 by 235 millimeter. A centerline marker on the plate lets you align it precisely where your shelf should go. Want your shelf to sit recessed? Just shift the plate inward from your layout line by the distance you prefer. Attach the plate using double-sided tape. Since the downward pressure of the router holds it flat, the tape is all you need to control lateral movement. Assembly is quick and precise. The shelf pins you routed earlier will fit directly into the matching recesses, creating a strong, seamless shelf support without any screws or metal brackets. Because both the pins and holes are cut with the same guide bushing and router bit, a 1/2-inch guide bushing and 3 8-inch spiral upcut bit, everything lines up perfectly every time. Whether you're building heavy-duty storage, custom cabinetry, or premium shelving, ShelfPins gives you clean joinery using only a handheld router. No CNC, no jigsaws, no guesswork, just smart, accurate woodworking.